Hello guys, welcome to an Academy KCET YouTube live session. Myself Sharief. We will discuss today KCET 2020 paper part 2. In part 1 we have done 30 questions. We'll continue with the same paper 31 to 60. Today's session we will do it. And before I start my session guys, please do enable the bell icon so that you get notifications for all classes, and please do subscribe our channel. All right, and at the end of the session, please do watch, like, and share my video guys, and it's a very useful content. And please kindly share with all your friends. Let us start guys. Question number 31. If the sides of a cube is, it's a question on errors and approximation. If a side of a cube is increased by 5%, so delta x is equal to 5% of x. Okay, so delta x is equal to 5%, that is 5 by 100 of x. Okay, so delta x is equal to, okay, let me keep this as it is. We'll simplify later. And then the surface area of a cube. Surface area of a cube is 6x square, right? dA by dx is equal to 12x. Delta A is equal to dA by dx into delta x. Into delta x. So this is dA by dx is equal to 12x, and delta x is equal to 5 by 100 of x. Okay, so this is 12 into 5 is 60. 60 upon 100 of x square. Right, 60 by 100 will be equal to 60% of x square. Right, answer is option D. Let's move to the next question. The value of integration of 1 plus x power 4 by 1 plus x power 6. Good question, follow carefully. I can write this as integration of 1 plus x to the power of 4, right? Is equal to integration of 1 plus x to the power of 4 whole divided by 1 plus x power 6 can be written as, let me simplify here. 1 plus x power 6 can be written as 1 plus x square the whole cube. Okay, and that's equal to, we know that if it is a cube plus b cube, if you take a plus b out, then it is a square minus ab plus b square. This is 1 plus x square, I'll take outside. Then you get a square minus ab plus b square, that is x power 4. Okay, so this is 1 plus x square into 1 minus x square plus x to the power of 4 and then dx. Okay, now integration of numerator can be written as 1 minus x square plus x power 4. I'll subtract x square and add x square whole divided by 1 plus x square into, this is 1 minus x square plus x to the power of 4 dx. Okay, now if I separate them, integration of 1 minus x square plus x to the power of 4 whole divided by 1 plus x square into 1 minus x square plus x to the power of 4 dx plus integration of x square divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, into, you have 1 minus x square plus x to the power of 4 and then dx. Okay, let us cancel this. Now this becomes, okay, so this becomes 1 by 1 plus x square, integration of 1 by 1 plus x square plus integration of x square divided by, again 1 plus x square into 1 minus x square plus x power 4 is 1 plus x power 6 dx. Alright, integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse of x plus integration of x square divided by 1 plus x power 6 can be written as x cube the whole square, and then this is dx. Right, what I'll do is I'm going to put x cube is equal to t. Differentiation of x cube is 3x squared dx is equal to dt, and from this I can write x squared dx is equal to dt by 3. Now if I substitute here, this is tan inverse of x tan inverse of x plus integration of 1 plus x squared dx is dt by 3, right? X squared dx is dt by 3. This is 1 plus t square. This is tan inverse of x plus 1 by 3. Integration of 1 by 1 plus t square is tan inverse of t plus c. So this is tan inverse of x plus 1 upon 3, and tan inverse of t value is x cube and plus c. T value is x cube and plus c. Right. Now this is tan inverse of x plus 1 by 3 tan inverse of x cube plus 3. Answer is option D. Tan inverse of x plus 1 by 3 tan inverse of x cube or x square. Let me just check. Tan inverse of t is equal to how much? T is equal to, in the substitution I take tan inverse of x cube the whole square, right? Answer is D only. Right. Let's move to the next question. X cube the whole square. This is 1 by 1 plus t square. T is equal to x cube. D only, guys. Answer is option D. Let's move to the next question. See, this we have done a similar question in 2019 paper, integration using by parts. 3x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. Right, don't write a by b by c by, it takes a lot of time to solve. If I equate this to 0, roots will be equal to 1, 2, 3 in the denominator. X minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, roots are 1, 2, 3 only. You put the first root, x is equal to 1. If you put x equal to 1 here, in the numerator you will get 3 plus 1, 4. Denominator x minus 1. Don't substitute here, otherwise it will be 0. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Once you are done, you put plus. Next root you put 2. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Upon 2 minus 1 is 1. X minus 2. Don't substitute here, otherwise it will be 0. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Again put plus. Put x equal to 3. 3 into 3 plus 1 is 10. Divided by 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. And then you get x minus 3. This will cancel 5 times. And this will cancel 2 times. Okay, now this is 3x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to minus and minus is plus 2 divided by x minus 1 minus 7 divided by x minus 2 plus 5 divided by x minus 3. Right, now if I integrate, integration of 3x plus 1 upon x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 dx is equal to 2 is a constant, 1 divided by x minus 1 dx minus 7 times integration of 1 divided by x minus 2 dx plus 5 times integration of 1 divided by x minus 3 dx. Right, now let us integrate this. 2 times integration of 1 by x is log x. You will get log of x minus 1 minus 7 times log of x minus 2, 5 times log of x minus 3. Okay, and then plus c. Now you compare this and this. The value of a will be equal to, now if I compare, value of a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to plus 5. Answer is option B. 2 minus 7, 5. So this is the best shortcut, guys. Don't write a by b by c by and simplify. It takes a lot of time to integrate. Right, there was a similar question in 19 paper as well, and I have done in the same logic. Let's move to the next question. E power integration of e power sin x. Sin 2x can be written as double angle formula 2 sin x cos x, right? 2 sin x cos x dx. Right, now I am going to put sin x is equal to t. Differentiation of sin x is cos x, you get cos x dx is equal to dt. Right, so 2 times integration of sin x is t, so this is t into e per t, cos x dx is dt. 2 into a bracket, first function is t, integration of e per t is e per t, minus e power t, differentiation of t is 1, and then dt. So this is 2 times t into e power t, integration of e power t is e power t and plus c. Right, now I'm going to take e power t out. This becomes 2 into e power t out, you get t minus 1 plus c. So 2 into e to the power of sin x into sin x minus 1 and plus integration constant c. Answer is option C. Let's move to the next question. Alright, and we have done similar questions in the previous papers. If it is neither even nor odd, minus a to plus a f of x dx can be written as 0 to a f of x plus f of minus x dx. There's one more question in this paper based on the same property. So if I use this property, right, now integration of minus 1 by 2 to plus 1 by 2 cos inverse of x dx is equal to integration 0 to a, that is 0 to 1 by 2. I take fx is equal to cos inverse of x. This is fx plus ff minus x, right? Fx is a cos inverse of x. F of minus x is cos inverse of minus x and then dx. This is 0 to half. 0 to half cos inverse of x. Cos inverse of minus x is pi minus cos inverse of x. Okay, and then dx. This will cancel. Pi is a constant out. Integration of dx is x. Between the limits is 0 to half. So this is pi times 1 by 2 minus 0, which is equal to pi upon 2. Right, answer is option D. Let's move to the next question. Right, there is similar, so based on the same property what we did just now. If it is minus a to plus a f of x dx, neither even nor odd, then this is equal to 0 to a f of x plus f of minus x dx. Okay, so this is minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Cos x upon 1 plus e power x dx is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 fx is cos x divided by 1 plus e power x plus f of minus x is cos of minus x upon 1 plus e power minus x dx. Okay, now this is equal to 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 cos x divided by 1 plus e power x. Cos of minus theta is plus cos theta, right? So this is plus cos of minus x is plus cos x divided by 1 plus 1 by e power x and then dx. I just wrote e power minus x as 1 by e power x. Right, now this is 0 to pi by 2. I take cos x common. Left out is 1 by 1 plus e power x plus e power x goes to numerator, e power x divided by e power x plus 1 and then dx. Okay, now this is equal to 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 cos x. Right, LCM is 1 plus e power x. Denominators are same, numerators can be added, 1 plus e power x dx. So this will cancel. Okay, integration of cos x is sin x between the limits is 0 to pi by 2. Upper limit is sin pi by 2, lower limit is sin 0. Sin 0 will be 0, sin 90 is 1. Okay, answer will be option A. Let's move to the next question. See, there are some standard results which you need to remember, guys. 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2 log tan x, is same as 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2 log cortex dx is equal to 0. 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2 log sin x is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log of cos x, log cos x dx is equal to minus pi by 2 into log 2, minus pi by 2 into log 2, or plus pi by 2 into log 1 by 2. Right, now this is 0 to pi by 2 log of sec x is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log of cosec x, log of cosec x dx is equal to plus pi by 2 into log 2, plus pi by 2 into log 2, or minus pi by 2 into log 1 by 2. Right, and then 0 to pi x into sin x divided by 1 plus cos square x dx. This is equal to pi square by 4. This is pi square by 4, and then 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x dx. Log of 1 plus tan x dx is equal to pi by 8 into log 2 to the base c. So make a note of all these results. They are extremely important. These are time saving results. Remember these results. Okay, now having said this, in the next question, if I put x is equal to, I'm going to put x is equal to tan theta. Okay, dx is equal to sec square theta d theta. If x is equal to 0, then theta is equal to 0. If x is equal to 1, 1 is equal to tan theta, right? Theta is equal to pi by 4. So this becomes 0 to 1. 0 to pi by 4, and then you get log of 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta, and dx is equal to sec square theta d theta. 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. Here also you get sec square theta d theta. I'm going to cancel this. Alright, now we'll use that result. 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x dx. Yeah, this result, 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x dx. Last result, answer is pi by 8 into log 2. So this is equal to pi by 8 into log 2 to the base c. So answer is pi by 8 log 2. Answer is option B. Let's move to the next question. The area of the region bounded by, see, this is of the form y square is equal to 4x, right? And this is the line y is equal to mx. The area bounded by y square is equal to 4x, and the line y is equal to mx. Y square is equal to 4x, and the line y is equal to mx is 8a square by 3m cube. Area is equal to 8a square by 3m cube. Now if I compare, 4a is equal to 8, right? And m is equal to 2. So this means that a is equal to 2 and m is equal to 2. Area is equal to 8a square, that is 2 square divided by 3 into m cube, that is 2 into 3 cube. 2 into 2 cube. So 8 will cancel with 8. Area is equal to 4 by 3 square units. 4 by 3 square units. Answer is option D. Let's move to the next question. Area of the region bounded by y is equal to 2x plus 1, x-axis, and the ordinates minus 1 and plus 2 plus 1. Okay, now listen. Y is equal to 2x plus 1. If I plot the graph for this, this is x, this is y. If x is equal to 0, y equal to 1. If y is equal to 0, x is equal to minus half. The point is 0, 1 and minus half, 0. Okay, so this is 0, 1 and then minus half, 0. This is the graph. This line is y is equal to 2x plus 1. Now x is equal to 1. Line x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 1. Okay, just a rough sketch. This line is x is equal to 1 and this line is x is equal to minus 1. This area I'm supposed to find out. Right now, it is not symmetric, right? We have to find out area is equal to lower limit is minus 1, upper limit is minus half, 2x plus 1 dx. Area below x-axis would be negative, that's why keep a mod here, plus integration of minus half to 1, and then you get 2x plus 1 and then dx, and there's a mod here. Okay, integration, there's no mod, sorry, area above x-axis will be positive only. This area is equal to integration of x is x square by 2. X square by 2, coefficient of x is 2 divided by 2 between the limits minus 1 to minus half. Again, integration of x is x square by 2, coefficient of x is 2 divided by 2 between the limits minus half to 1. Area is equal to 1 by 4. If I substitute upper limit, it is 0. Lower limit minus 2 plus 1, the whole square is 1. So there's a mod here, right? Plus 1 by 4, upper limit 9, 2 plus 1, the whole square is 9. Lower limit is 0. This is 1 by 4 plus 9 by 4. Area is equal to 10 by 4. 10 by 4 is 5 by 2. Right, answer is option A. Let's move to the next question. The order of the differential equation obtained by eliminating arbitrary constants in the family of curves. Like I told you, number of arbitrary constants is equal to order of the differential equation. Y is equal to, this is C2 plus C3 whole divided by C1 e power x into e power C4. This is y is equal to C2 plus C3 upon C1 e power C4 into e power x. This is one constant only. You group all this, this will be one constant. I can write this as y is equal to capital A into e power x. I take A is equal to C2 plus C3 upon C1 into e power C4. All this is one constant only. So there's only one constant. Number of arbitrary constants is equal to order of the differential equation. One constant, order should be one only. Let's move to the next question. The general solution of the differential equation is, okay, now I can write this as x square into dy is equal to, right side will be equal to 2xy into dx plus x to the power of 4 into cos x dx. Okay, if I divide by x square into dx, this becomes dy by dx is equal to 2 by x into y plus x square into cos x. Okay, if I divide by x square, shift to LHS, this is dy by dx minus 2 by x into y is equal to x square into cos x. Now this is of the form, dy by dx plus py is equal to q, linear differential equation, dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Right, p is equal to minus 2 by x and q is equal to x square into cos x. Integrating factor is e power integration of p dx. E power integration of p dx is equal to e power integration of minus 2 by x into dx. Minus 2 integration of 1 by x is log x. Minus 2 log x is log of x power minus 2 which is x power minus 2, and that's equal to 1 by x square. Solution is y into if is equal to integral q into if, okay, and then dx plus c. This is y into if 1 by x square is equal to integral q. Q is x square into cos x, and if is 1 by x square dx plus c. This will cancel. Y into x square is equal to integration of cos x is sin x and plus c. If I cross multiply, if I cross multiply, you get y is equal to x square into sin x plus c into x square. Answer is option C. Right, let's move to the next question. The curve passes through the point 1 comma 2. Given that the slope of the tangent at any point x comma y is 2x by y, 2x by y. The slope of the tangent dy by dx is equal to 2x by y. I can write y into dy is equal to 2x into dx. Now if I integrate, you get y into dy is equal to 2 times integration of x dx plus c. Integration of y is y square by 2. Integration of x is x square by 2 and plus c. This will cancel. Okay, so you get y square by 2 is equal to x square plus c. You call equation 1. It is passing through the point 1 comma 2, right? You put x is equal to 1 and y equal to 2. 4 by 2 is equal to 1 plus c, so c is equal to 1. Equation 1 becomes y square by 2 is equal to x square plus 1. So put x is equal to 1, y equal to 2. This is 2, right? Sorry. This is c is equal to, c should be equal to 1. You get 2 is equal to 1 plus c, so c is equal to 1. dy by dx is 2x by y. Y into dy is equal to 2 times x dx. 2 and 2 cancels. Y square by 2 is equal to x square plus c. X is equal to 1, y equal to 2. You get 2 is equal to 1 plus c, c is equal to 1. So this becomes y square by 2 is equal to x square plus 1. Okay. Now I'll write this as y square. I can write y square by 2 minus x square is equal to 1. Okay, so this is same as x square by 1, right? This is same as y square by b square minus x square by a square equal to 1. It is hyperbola. Let's move to the next question. The two vectors represented by AB and AC is given of a triangle ABC. Then the length of the median through the vertex A. Okay, let's say this is the triangle. This is AB and AC. I should find out length of the median through the vertex A. Right, now length of the median AD, vector AD is always equal to AB plus AC by 2, right? AB plus AC upon 2. AB is given, AB is equal to I plus J plus K, and AC is equal to I plus 3J plus 5K. Now AB plus AC is equal to 2I plus 4J plus 6K. Now if I divide by 2, you will get this as I plus 2J plus 3K. Modulus of this is equal to root of 1 plus 4 plus 9, which is equal to root of 14. Answer is option B. Let's move to the next question. A and B are unit vectors, right? So this is modulus of A is 1 and modulus of B is also 1. Okay, and theta is the angle between A and B. Angle between A and B, what is sine theta by 2? What is mod of A minus B the whole square? Mod A square plus mod B square plus minus 2 times A dot B, right? So mod of A minus B the whole square is equal to, this is 1 plus 1 minus 2 times A dot B is mod A into mod B into cos theta. Modulus of A minus B the whole square is equal to 2 minus 2 times, this is cos theta. Modulus of A minus B the whole square is equal to 2 into 1 minus cos theta. Okay, now 1 minus cos theta, mod of A minus B the whole square is equal to 2 into 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. Okay, now modulus of A minus B the whole square is equal to 4 sin square theta by 2. Mod of A minus B is equal to 2 into sin theta by 2. If you shift on the left side, 1 by 2 into modulus of A minus B is equal to sin theta by 2. That's answer, guys. Modulus of sin theta by 2 is mod of A minus B by 2. Same condition, A and B are unit vectors, theta is angle between A and B. Same problem, same condition. If you derive, you will get cos theta by 2 is equal to modulus of A plus B upon 2. Right, let's move to the next question. Three vectors are coplanar, what should be the value of lambda? If they are coplanar, then box of ABC should be 0. That is A dot B cross C should be 0. Scalar triple product should be 0. Determinant equal to 0. Components of A is 2, minus 3 and 4. Components of B is 2, 1 and minus 1. Then lambda minus 1 and 2. So this is 2 minus 1 plus 3. Delete first row second column 4 plus lambda. Plus 4 delete first row last column minus 2 minus lambda equal to 0. 2 plus 12 plus 3 lambda minus 8 minus 4 lambda equal to 0. So you get this as 6 minus lambda equal to 0. So the value of lambda should be plus 6, guys. Answer option C. Right, let's move to the next question. We have done Lagrange's identity. Dot the whole square. The previous year papers we have done dot the whole square plus cross the whole square. Dot the whole square plus cross the whole square is equal to mod A square into mod B square. That is Lagrange's identity. So for dot the whole square plus cross the whole square is mod A square into mod B square is equal to 144. Mod A is equal to 6, right? So you get 36 into modulus of B the whole square is equal to 144. This will cancel 4 times. Modulus of B the whole square is 4. Mod B is equal to 2. Answer is option A. Let's move to the next question. Point 1 minus 3, 4 lies in which octant? There are 8 octants, right? So let's say this is x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. This should be first. This should be the second. This should be the third. This is fourth. This is fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. There will be 8 octants. Okay, remember like this: 4 plus 4 minus 2 plus 2 minus. Start with plus, end with plus. 2 minus 2 plus 2 minus. So this is plus, minus and plus. This is plus, minus and plus. Minus and plus. So plus, minus and plus, it lies in 4th octant. Plus, minus and plus lies in 4th octant. Right, so answer is option E. Let's move to the next question. If a line makes an angle pi by 3 with x and y, then the acute angle made by z axis L is equal to cos alpha, m equal to cos beta, and n is equal to cos gamma. L is equal to cos pi by 3, m is also cos pi by 3, right? And n is equal to cos gamma. Cos 60 is half. Here also cos 60 is half. Lm. Okay, m is equal to half. Okay, n I don't know. L square plus m square plus n square is 1, right? Cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is 1. Because L square plus m square plus n square is equal to 1. This is 1 by 2, the whole square is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. From this, cos square gamma is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 and minus 1 by 4. Cos square gamma is equal to LCM is 4. You get 4 minus 2, which is equal to half. Right, so cos gamma is equal to half. Cos gamma is 1 by root 2. Don't write plus or minus because it's an acute angle. So gamma should be equal to 45 pi by 4. Answer is option C. Let's move to the next question. The distance of a point from the line. This question is bonus. Right, you get some huge numbers which you don't match with the options. Question number 49. This question was bonus in 2020. Let's move to the next question. But similar problem we have done in 19 problem. That question was right. Distance of a point from the line. Sine of the angle between the lines. So this line is not in standard form. I have write this as x minus 2 upon 3 is equal to, in the numerator, if I take minus common, y minus 3 by minus 4 is equal to z minus 4 by 5. So cancel this minus. So drs of this line is 3, 4 and 5. And drs normal to the plane. This is of the form a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d. drs normal to the plane. A2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to minus 2, c2 is equal to 1. Now sine theta is equal to angle between line and the plane. Sine theta is equal to modulus of a1 into a2 plus b1 into b2 plus c1 into c2 by root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Now sine is equal to modulus of a1 into a2 is 6, b1 into b2 is minus 8, c1 into c2 is 5 by root of 9 plus 16 plus 25 and root of 4 plus 4 plus 1. Sine is equal to, numerator is 3 by root 50 and root 9 is 3. This will cancel. 1 by root 50 is 5 root 2. Right, multiply and divide by root 2. You get root 2 divided by 10. Answer is option D. Let's move to the next question. Okay, now listen. This point x plus y is equal to 5 means this point is 5 comma 0. This point is 0 comma 5. In x-axis y is 0, right? So this point is 9 comma 0. Y-axis x is 0 means this is 0 comma 3. These are the corner points. This point can be founded using solve. So if I solve these two, is equal to 9. This will be minus minus. This will cancel. Minus 2y is equal to minus 4. Y equal to 2. If y is equal to 2, x is equal to 3. Y is 2, x is equal to 3. So this point is 3 comma 2. Okay, now if I take the corner points and z is equal to 11x plus 7y. Okay, so corner points will be equal to this is A, let's say this is B and this is C. 3 comma 2, B will be equal to 0 comma 5 and C is equal to 0,3. You get 66 plus 14 will be equal to will be 80. No, 66, 33, right? If I substitute 3 here, 11 into 3 plus 7 into 2, you get 33 plus 14 will be equal to 47. If you substitute 0, 5, 35, 0, 5, 0, 3. That's right. 0, 3, if I substitute 21, this is the maximum. So it will occur maximum at 3, 2. Options are missing. One of the options is 3, 2. Sorry, options are here only. 3, 2 answers option B. Alright, let's move to the next question. Question number 52. Two questions on LPP. Corner points of feasible region determined by the system of linear constraints are 0, 3 and 1, 1, 3, 0. Z is equal to Px plus Qy, where PQ positive. Conditions on P and Q so that minimum value of Z occurs at 3, 0 and 3, 1. So it's given in the question that Z minimum at 3, 0 is equal to Z minimum at 1, 0, 1, 1, and Z value is equal to Px plus Qy. Now I'm supposed to find a relation between P and Q. Okay, Z is equal to Px plus Qy. Z at 3, 0 will be P into 3 plus 0. 1, 1 means P plus Q. So you get 2P is equal to Q. That is the P is equal to Q by 2. Answer is option D. Let's move to the next question. A and B are two events such that P of A, P of B is given. Right, we did a similar question in 19 paper as well. P of A dash intersection B. P of A dash given B is equal to P of A given B. P of A dash intersection B divided by P of B. Intersection B divided by P of B. So this is same as P of B intersection A bar divided by P of B. Right, now listen. This is A, this is B, this is A but not B, this is B but not A, and this part is A intersection B. Okay, now P of B intersection A bar is equal to P of B minus P of A intersection B. So this is P of B minus P of A intersection B divided by P of B is equal to 1 minus P of A intersection B divided by P of B. That's equal to 1 minus P of A intersection B is 1 by 6 and P of B is equal to 1 by 2. This is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 2 by 3. Answer is option C. Let's move to the next question. A die is thrown 10 times, n equal to 10. Getting an odd number is considered as a success. Sample space is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Getting an odd number is 1 by 2. Probability of getting an odd number on a die is 1, 3, 5 by n of s, which is equal to 3 by 6, 1 by 2. So getting an odd number is 1 by 2. Getting an even number is 1 by 2. Okay, no, odd number is 1 by 2, even number is 1 by 2. What is a odd number will come up at least once. The probability of x greater than or equal to 1 is equal to 1 minus P of x is equal to 0. P of x is equal to r is equal to NCR P power r and q to the power of n minus r. Now P of x is equal to 0 will be equal to 10C0 P power r and q to the power of n minus r, that is 10 minus 0. This is 1 by 2 power 10. You get 1 minus 1 by 2 power 10. 1 minus 1 by 2 power 10 is 1024. You cross multiply and subtract 1023 upon 1024. Answer is option D. Let's move to the next question. The probability of solving the probability of solving a problem by three persons ABC independently is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, and 1 by 3. So A not solving is 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. Let me write like this. A not solving P of A bar, P of complement is 1 minus P of A, which is equal to 1 by 2. P of B bar is 1 minus 1 by 4, which is equal to 3 by 4. And P of C bar is 1 minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 2 by 3. Probability of then the probability of a problem is solved by any two of them. That is, A will solve, B will solve, but C will not solve. Or A will solve, B will not solve, but C will solve. Or A will not solve, B and C will solve. Okay, probability of A solving is 1 by 2, B solving is 1 by 4, C not solving is 2 by 3. Again, P of A is 1 by 2, P of B bar is 3 by 4, P of C is 1 by 3. P of A bar is 1 by 2, B is 1 by 4, and C will be equal to 1 by 3. LCM is 12, 6 4 is 24. Okay, numerator will be equal to 2 plus 3 plus 1. 6 by 24, which is equal to 1 by 4. Answer is option D. Let's move to the next question. Okay, it's a question on base theorem. Follow carefully. P of E1 given A is equal to A given E1 into P of E1 upon P of A given E1 into P of E1 plus P of A given E2 into P of E2. That is equal to A given E1 okay, now P of E2 given A. P of E2 given A is equal to 1 by 2, right? So this is P of A given E2 into P of E2 divided by P of A given E2, A given E1 into P of E1 plus P of A given E2 into P of E2 is equal to 1 by 2. P of A given E2 is 2 by 3. Yeah, this is 2 by 3. This fellow is 1 by 2. This I don't know. A given E1 I don't know. This is 1 by 2. A given E2 is 2 by 3. This is 1 by 2 is equal to half. This 1 by 2 will cancel. If I take LCM 3, 3 will get cancelled. 2 divided by 3 into P of A given E1 plus 2 is equal to 1 by 2. If I cross multiply, 4 is equal to 3 times P of A given E1 plus 2. 1 by 2 will cancel, take LCM 3, 2 plus 3 P of E1. Okay, so you get 2 is equal to is equal to 3 times P of A given E1. So 2 by 3 is equal to P of A given E1. Right? I'll check once again, because if this goes wrong, then everything will be wrong. P of E2 given A is equal to 1 upon 2. A given E2 into P of E2 divided by total probability. A given E2 is 2 by 3. That's right. Probability is 1 by 2 1 by 2 will cancel, and then I take LCM 3, 3 will get cancelled. If I cross multiply, 4 is equal to 3, 2 by 3, that's right. If I substitute A given E1 is 2 by 3, P of E1 is 1 by 2, again A given E1 is 2 by 3, this is 1 by 2, A given E2 is 2 by 3, okay, and then probability is 1 by 2, this will cancel. 2 divided by, take LCM 3, it will cancel 2 plus 2, 2 by 4, which is equal to half. Answer is option C. Good question, guys. 56 is option C. Let's move to the next question. Total number of subsets which contains at least 2 elements, which is equal to total, at least 2 means greater than or equal to 2. Okay, so I can take total minus P of 0 and P of 1. At least one element and 0 element and 1 element. Total number of subsets of n subsets of a set containing n elements is 2 power n. So total number of subsets with 6 elements is 2 power 6. Minus 0 elements is 6c0. 1 element is 6c1. 2 power 6 is 64. Minus 1 plus 6. 64 minus 7, which is equal to 57. Answer is option A. Let's move to the next question. Total number, if set A contains m elements and set B contains n elements, okay, total number of relations is equal to 2 power mn. According to the questions, total number of relations from A to B is equal to 1024. This is given. Okay, so set A contains 2 elements, set B contains how many elements? I should find out. This fellow. 2 power mn is equal to 2 power 10, right? 2 to the power of 2 into n is equal to 2 power 10. If I equate, 2 power n is equal to 10, right? N is equal to 5. Answer is option B. Let's move to the next question. Sin square 51 plus sin theta is equal to cos of 90 minus theta, right? Sin 39 is equal to cos of 90 minus 39, which is equal to 51. So this is cos square 51. Sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. Answer is option C. Right, let's discuss this last question of 2020, guys. Tan power 4 plus cot power 4 can be written as tan square the whole square plus cot square the whole square. Okay, a square plus b square is a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. So this is tan square plus cot square the whole square. A square plus b square is a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. 2 tan square into cot square. Tan into cot is 1. Again a square plus b square is a plus b the whole square. Tan plus cot the whole square minus 2ab minus 2 tan a into cot a the whole square minus 2. Tan into cot will cancel. Alright, tan a plus cot a is equal to 2. 2 square minus 2 the whole square minus 2. This is 2 square minus 2. 2 square minus 2 is 2 only, 2 the whole square. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Answer is option C. Right, please subscribe the channel, guys, and please do watch, like, and share the video. I'll come up with next video. We will solve KCET 2021 paper. All right, so we finish all from 14 to 2020, 21, 22. We will do in the next sessions. Thank you, guys. Thanks for joining. God bless you.